Alright, good morning guys. Today I'm going to show you how to upload channel art into your YouTube account. So right now I'm working on my channel art because I just created this new channel, how-to channels, and let's go ahead and use Photoshop this time. And I'm gonna show you the easiest way possible using Photoshop. So let's go ahead and just go ahead and download photos that is qualified for an art channel. By the way, art channel is 250 60 by 1440. That's a recommended channel art size for your YouTube channel. So let's go ahead and look for that size here on Google. 2560 1440 image. Alright. I don't know which one here, but I think black is good. I think this is way easier. Save image. Two fifty 60 1440. Very good with that. Drag it over here. And so we know that this is the size of what the YouTube is recommending us to use 2560 by 1440. And let's put a little bit of design onto it. Yeah, that's it. Let's draw something in there. Let's go ahead and use, if you take a look on the bottom, I'm sorry, on the left panel, we got here the tools. Let's use brush instead. Let's draw something. Like how to, there should be like a question mark there, right? So brush tool. Really? Okay. Alright, so like a question mark or something. That's it. It's as simple as that, man. And let's put a little bit of like a message here. Uh, so let's say making your life. Oh, that's too big. Let's say 14. Alright, good. Making your life easier. Alright, cool. That's it. That's what we want. That's what I want. And let's go ahead and save it. It's PNG. That's my favorite format. %88 here. Still working on it. Let's check if it's done. There you go. So this is the one that we created, guys. It's very simple. I mean, this is my preference. If you like to make it a little bit, more colorful, it's all up to you. But it's just me that, you know, I like this design. It's very simple. So I'm gonna show you how to upload it. Let's go ahead and go back to my channel and Let's go ahead and select the one that we made. That's the one right here. There you go. So, on the bottom left, you have the option to adjust it. If you see that the 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 picture on the picture that you created isn't fitting on, let's say, this a desktop, this a TV, and this for mobile, then you can actually adjust it. So for example, this one I don't have to adjust it because it's all good. I mean, it's in the middle, everything is good. That's it. So if it's on mobile, it's in the center as well. TV's in the center, which is good. We're good to go. So let's go ahead and select. And that's how it looks like, guys. Very simple. So, that's it for now, guys. I hope you learned something from this tutorial. Very, very easy using Photoshop, and drawing something in there, putting some basic photos that I uploaded on YouTube. I'm sorry, on Google, and putting some, like a message on it, making your life easier or whatever you like. It's that simple, really. So let's go ahead and close this out. Thank you so much again for uh, thank you so much again for watching this video, and keep tuning in because there's so much more to learn from this channel. And thank you so much again for watching. I'll see you on the next video, guys.